Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your workspace in Clickfunnels. This is useful if you manage multiple accounts or projects and need to switch between different workspaces easily. Let's get started. On your Clickfunnels dashboard, if you want to change your workspace, all you need to do is hover your mouse over the lower left corner until you see your mini profile. As you can see, it appears right here. From here, we will locate the Workspace option. Click on it, and we will see a panel appear with some options. From here, we can choose the workspace we want. We can see all available workspaces listed here. Simply choose the one that fits our needs. This is great for keeping things organized, whether we are managing client accounts or separate projects. It all depends on how we want to keep our workspaces separate and easy to navigate. Once we have made our choice, all we need to do is click the workspace we want and it will load right away. If we have multiple workspaces, just select the one we need. And that's how we change workspaces in Clickfunnels, making it easy to switch between projects and stay organized.